Why did the cock cross the road to earn some crypto tokens? My name is Altbay. I love crypto, no FOMO. I'm here to talk about a meme token which is really new, and it's less than $1 million dollars market cap. So it's a really good opportunity to buy now, in my opinion. But before I show you more information, I must let you know I'm not a financial advisor. Please do further research before you invest your money, and only invest what you can afford to lose. So the project is called Soft Coq Inu. Life is down because you can't get up, or so this website says. So this is like the main kind of characters we're talking about cockerels here. It's not just a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. They got a fun chicken game for free, play to earn game for the community, and a soft NFT marketplace, which is almost complete. Because they believe that life is down and you can get up. So let's go soft meme nation. The token address is here. I'm going to put the token address in the description down below, so you can easily buy this if you choose to do so. Uh, the the liquidity pool is token is burnt, and there's no buy or sales tax ever, which is absolutely fantastic. Nobody likes to pay tax when they're buying and selling. I'm going to keep scrolling down. So this is they've got NFT marketplace, which is coming soon. I'm not really into NFTs much, but I do think that these characters could have potential, and it could have kind of different varieties of all the little chicks and little cockles we're talking about. What are you thinking about? Um, so I think this could have potential, and I think it does have more longevity than other meme tokens. So, of course, those who have been in the crypto space for a while, especially with memes, would know that Soft Coq Inu is most likely inspired by Coq Inu, which has been around for a while. Um, so as you can see, I say a while, it's still showing on CoinGecko as like middle of December. So this was the Coq Inu is basically on the Avalanche chain. It's still performing quite well overall from then, but the past 30 days it has gone down 32%. Um, so there's also come along on the Solana chain came Bcock, which was Black Cock Inu. So, but recently that hasn't been performing well. I think part of it may be due to um, the Solana chain being so congested at the moment. Um, but due to the potential and the team behind it um, having ideas of how to make this different to other memes by having NFT marketplace, by having a game which I haven't mentioned yet. Um, yeah, so NFT in games. There's a reason to keep coming back and being invested in Softcock in you, not only financially, but I mean like emotionally, if that, or maybe some kind of like vested interest. So, like if you want to play the game or you want to search through NFTs to buy and sell, there's always a reason to come back. Um, so I will show you the game in a moment. But this is the tokenomics just before we go on to this. So the total of 1 billion tokens, 400 million circulating, 250 million play to earn giveaways, 400 million not circulating, 150 million for marketing and development, and 200 million for 4 founders there. Just to let you know, I have had a discussion with the team a while back, probably about maybe 2 to 3 weeks ago, I think. Um, so I've spoken to a couple of them, and they just seem like a really friendly bunch, and I really think that they're going to follow through with what they're saying. I will go on to the game, so I've got this muted because my first take of this video I didn't realize I was putting down the volume down here. I didn't realize it was coming through blaringly. You couldn't even hear a word what I was saying. But this is the chicken game. So I click to play. This is really just a demo, by the way. So when you click on the website, there's an option for demo, and there's a Chick City. I haven't seen a Chick City yet. Well, this is it here. So let's see. Can I grab this? Yeah. So the my very first one, I did collect it. So I don't know whether I'm doing something wrong, but this is just a demo, or maybe that's like a mistake here. But yeah, I think like the more you click, the faster the cockerel maneuvers, and you got a time limit. So I can see a lot of potential. Sorry, I'm just trying to play the game. I should really be looking up here, shouldn't I? Taking the game far too seriously on a demo. But I can see how the potential, like perhaps it might be the more difficult the level, the more you could earn. Maybe there could be like a golden egg where that would be a higher score. So maybe I don't know if you played like Mario 64, where you got like your normal coins, and then I can't remember, was it a red or a blue coin that was like worth 5 normal coins. I could see how that could be. So it could be you earn Soft Coq Inu, and maybe how difficult the levels get. Maybe if to jump somewhere, maybe you might be able to get a rare tokens. But of course, if you saw on the top right of the screen, there's also a time limit. Maybe there could be ones where I'm just throwing this out. I haven't spoken about the intricacies of this game to with the team. Maybe if they're watching the video, maybe they can pull up a few ideas. But maybe there could be one like a green egg for Go will probably add more time. So there could be like maybe like a golden egg, which would give you more soft cock Inu tokens, but maybe a green one will be to extend the time on this. And maybe these characters which kind of seem to block the way, perhaps they might move to the left, to the right, or maybe they could come toward you at different speeds to make it harder and harder as you progress through the levels. That's my idea of the game. But to kind of keep up to date, I recommend that you follow them on Twitter. And also don't forget to follow me. My socials are in the description below. Now that I've got my access to my account, I was locked out for a little while. You can always interact with me. I will never contact you about cryptocurrency first. You have to make the first move if you want to talk to me. I can be found in some spaces which I find interesting. But yeah, just send me a message. I'm not on it all the time. But I will try to get back to you. And as I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going to put the contract address for Soft Coq Inu down in the description below, so you can check it out for yourself. And if you want to buy, do buy. Leave a like on the video. I will see you in the next video, which will not be about memes. I like to kind of have a variety on this channel, so stay tuned for that. Probably, I'd say maybe next Monday, next Tuesday, will be my next upload. I will try to post again more frequently, but I do believe in quality over quantity, and I think that for a meme project, Soft Coq Inu has huge potential, and you're getting really early. Whether it's 100x, 200x, even more. It really does depend on the markets and how long you're willing to hold. If you keep selling, you can, you might not realize the actual project. I really think that this can go big, especially I think the next few days you'll be able to interact more with the game. I think I believe I saw like the 12th of April and beyond. So do check this out and do further research. I'll see you in the next video.